Miami Watercolor Society sponsors a wide variety of programs for our members and the community. Each year, we hold 2 juried exhibitions and 2 4-day workshops with well-known instructors, monthly meetings with watercolor artists demonstrating various techniques, and paint-out socials at interesting outdoor venues throughout South Florida. Our monthly watercolor classes are taught by our members and are open to the community. Each month, our members receive a newsletter by email featuring a calendar of upcoming events and articles about past and future events. The newsletter is also featured on the homepage of our website, which recently went through a total renovation, making it easier to use for gathering information, registering for events, entering exhibitions, and making payments. The Miami Watercolor Society has partnered with the Miami-Dade County Public Schools annually for over 20 years to present a 1-day watercolor workshop for art teachers. In addition to instruction in a variety of watercolor techniques taught by our members, teachers earn master plan points for their state of Florida recertification while creating their own paintings. Participants are inspired to enter their students' watercolor paintings into our juried student exhibition, Impressions in Watercolor. Since it began in 1986, the student show has grown every year, thanks to the commitment of our members, our partnership with the Miami-Dade County Public Schools, and the generous award of grants throughout the years. More than 300 watercolor paintings by kindergarten through 12th grade students are selected for exhibition each year, where we present more than $2,000 in awards to the students. Both the Impressions in Watercolor Student Show and the annual Teacher Workshop were started and led by Dottie Green for decades. She had the vision and indomitable passion for serving the art community and making both a success. We are fortunate to have members still dedicated to this program to spread the love of watercolor painting with the community.